Alright, good afternoon. This video documentation is just to real quick test both of the low beams for the headlights, the W211 headlights that we'll be shipping back to you. Again, we do have known working HID components right here. We have the OEM igniter as well as the OEM ballast, which we have hooked up to the bottom of the headlight right here. And the bulbs we will be testing in this video will be the same exact bulbs that we will be sending back to you as well. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and start the testing real quick. We'll start with the passenger side headlight, and I've got this all hooked up already, so we'll go ahead and fire this up. We've got a 12-volt power supply right here, and here it goes. As you can see, the bulb is lighting up. So it's just taking a little bit there while it starts up, but yeah, bulb does light up, as you can see. So this headlight is in working condition. This is going to be the passenger side headlight. We'll go ahead and turn this off. And we're going to pull out the components and switch them over to the driver's side headlight. So, just a second here. And place this over here. Alright, ballast is in place. Here goes the connector for the igniter. This will be the headlight that this will be the bulb we ship back to you. So we'll place this over here. This is going to be the other bulb that we will be sending to you. Go ahead and lock this in position, and we'll connect the igniter. So everything's in place. We'll go ahead and fire this up as well, and just got to make sure this is connected to positive right here. And as you can see, driver's side headlight is also working. So obviously the headlight itself is in good condition. All the components are in good condition as well. Now, that being said, we're going to do one final thing right here too, just to kind of show you the condition of all the components right here, and especially the pins, because that was a concern during the return process here. So we'll go ahead and show you that real quick. Now, it might be a little bit hard to see in the camera, so I'm going to try to adjust this the best I can. But this is the main headlight connector right here. This is where the pins for the low beam, high beam, and all that are going to be at. As you can see, these are all in good condition and in good positions right here. Nothing's bent up or down, or any kind of situation where it would cause a failure of one of the functions of the headlight. Now down here, you can also see that the pins are also in good condition. They're all level right there. And moving over here, same thing. You can see the pins are in good condition, as are the city light pins down here. So this is again driver's side headlight. We'll go ahead and place this back on the table, and we're going to show you the same thing real quick for the passenger side headlight. Now again, moving this up so you can see everything. All the pins right here are in the good condition right there. Obviously when you connect the connector, you want to make sure that everything slides in perfectly. If you do feel some resistance, just go ahead and double check that. Again, right here, pins are in line in good condition. And finally, following down to these two connectors, as you can see, the pins are in the correct positions as well. So I just wanted to video document that before sending this back to you. Again, these are tested units, so on your end, as long as your OEM components are all working as you mentioned that they were, hooking everything back up will, all the functions will fire up. And again, just as mentioned, if you do feel any type of resistance, just go ahead and slowly connect the connector, make adjustments if necessary, though, obviously going through this, the pins are in the correct positions. So that being said, this does conclude the video documentation, and I will be updating you further on eBay with the tracking information. Thank you very much.